on one. Oh, the bottom part. So we're gonna go over and we're gonna mill up some lumber. We got our tractor fluid that is gasoline. So here's the sawmill. Ooh, we're milling up blue pine. Ooh, I'm getting a strip of this. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. What are we cutting out of it, 1 inches?
No, he's got a guy that wants some 3/8 thick. He's gonna do some fascia on some steps.
Oh, that's beautiful. Do we have a new blade on this? We're not gonna be able to cut 3/8 without a good blade.
We cut this log with it. We squared this one up. Well, actually, I don't even think we did that. I think 3 cuts on this one after putting that blade on there.
And this is a pretty slick cut, honestly.
It ain't too bad. I mean, it'll plane out.
Yeah, is the guy gonna plane him or is Grandpa planing him?
I think he wants Grandpa to plane him. We're gonna cut him about 7/16 inch thick, so we can plane him down.
I bet you he didn't charge enough, huh? I mean, for what it's worth, it's like 60 bucks a board. And I'm like, man, this is 500 bucks a board, like realistically.
Yeah,
Blue pine.
10-inch wide.
Oh God, yeah.
Look at that fucking. All right, he's gonna grab the hoe anyways.
Yeah, it's just waterlogged. Heavy some. Oh, way too far. Not right there. Good. Back up. Yep.
Stop and I'll set those dogs up.
Oh, they fucking wrenched down. Wow. Look at that wrench. Yep. Am I on that dog? Thanks.
The log is straight.
The
That's
log's
just
straight.
bent from being backhoed.
Yeah, I don't like my tape measures going that high. It makes me feel bad.
16 across here. And that's 20 down there.
That's at least 30 inches.
Where?
Well, that's at least what Adriana thinks. Grandpa, I got Adriana thinking a yardstick's a ruler.
From the bottom to the very top, about 19 inches.
Tape measures lie. Don't you know that?
That's 18 inches down there.
Let's get to milling.
We drop it down, you might get half this log
Yeah.
that he can use.
Well, the shortest piece I use is 38.5 inches.
I think we're good then.
Yeah.
Let's just do that.
I mean, there's no use to drop this down 3 inches and waste all that wood.
Turn it on.
I gotta turn it on first.
When you're milling lumber, you have to have some sort of a lubricant, and it's water. Now, in other areas, you can't use water as lube. I've tried. Is that good? We ran water up here just for this. Take the hose, stick it right in the tree.
Up one.
Oh, that was 2. That's full. 3/8 of an inch. That's it. Hands don't work like they used to, huh?
I just couldn't get a hold of it.
Something super cool about this is this is 3 generations of Clements. We have me, my dad, and my grandpa. This is what you call a bandsaw mill. So my dad got about a listen to these blades break on it when he was building my grandpa's house. This is the same sawmill that they used to build the house. They're gonna show us how to change a blade. It slows down. It's got a telltale sign of it being dull. These little burrs are coming out now, and these were not there before. That's a good telltale sign.
You need 4 more? 3 more.
Let's get her done.
Do you want to roll it on? You want to,
I need to take a blade over and sharpen it.
All right.
All right.
Well, I could have swore that everything leaning against this tree last time I was up here had a black mark on it that you had it sharpened.
Well,
And that's why those were on that side and these were on this side. But now you went ahead and mixed them all
This
up.
one's burnt. Ow! Yeah, let's fucking throw them around.
that there, I never moved.
Oh, it's new.
That one.
That one don't look used.
That one's got a little kink in it right there.
Yeah.
Well, I am gonna walk over to the house and grab the missus. Guys, I'm still getting used to the GoPro, so don't mind this video. The missus is sweeping. She had a rough night, just put it that way. Stole your quad, Grandpa.
Rich land. Plenty of good water and fields knee deep in grass.
Hi, Goose. So yeah, you guys, my dad built this whole house. We did the rock wall. Those are cedar posts. That's a laminate post. It's factory. Everything else is, besides 2x4s and concrete, is off the land. So it's pretty damn cool. I'm gonna leave the missus alone. This is one of my favorite parts. Here, you guys, check this out. This is a cream and milk separator. So it separates heavy cream and milk from back in the day. That's how they did it. One would come out this side, and one would come out this side. Finally switched to Trex on this side. It was natural cedar that we milled up, but it just doesn't last that long. I mean, the siding has lasted about 20 years. A little shout out to Veterans Diesel, best diesel mechanics shop in the North State, hands down. I will put my money on them. And just not just because they're phenomenal at what they do, they're honest, hardworking, red-blooded, God-fearing Americans, and you just cannot beat it when you find a man that you could shake his hand and you know he's gonna be telling the damn truth. Did I steal your damn quad and you walked over here? I stole the quad and you had to walk?
Yeah.
That's f***ed up. My bad. Oopsies. I didn't know he was coming over here. Oh my goodness, I'm just trying to find some damn chew. This is ridiculous. So now, Grandpa's gonna teach us how to sharpen a blade. Are we gonna sharpen that?
I'm looking for a fucking angle on her to put it in. There's 2 pieces bolted together.
Copy. That's all that one was one.
Is that it right there?
Yeah. Fucking it last week.
Right when we were ruining that fucking meat last weekend.
Yeah, they just got done grinding up a bunch of deer meat, and Dad shattered a glass bowl and it went all over the meat.
No, it was a fucking shell. Just set it on the goddamn top, on the top shelf, and it just exploded. You'd have think I stood back 5 feet and threw it at the motherfucker.
The bottom part I had a can of flour. Hey, you want some glasses? Is there anything I can do to help? Here. Alright, I got this side. There we go. That's a snazzy little device. I like that.
Huh?
I like that. Custom.
See, I bored the holes for these bolts in it.
Uh-huh.
Just so these will stick up and that's
Oh, so it doesn't go too low.
yeah.
I like that. So when you sharpen this, are you just taking a top off or are you angling that?
I'm just sharpening the top of it.
So basically all you're doing is getting rid of this flat spot.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let me do it.
No, stop.
Feel these right here.
I'm gonna get this done.
Hey,
What?
feel that right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't think it's possible to get Grandpa to wear glasses if he doesn't want to wear glasses. Hey, he's 86, he's still alive. Off.
Oh, you mean like safety glasses?
Yes.
Fuck. Little won't see. All right, so we're right at the edge. Yeah, so
Alright.
pretty much just what's on the.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah,
Good deal.
from here to there.
Now, why'd you do that?
I put it up there like this. The teeth are laying this way. I'm right-handed. I'm not left-handed.
Gotcha.
So it's easier.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Yeah.
This guy's just wheeling it on. That's it. And it'll center
Make
itself.
sure, well, yeah, but I gotta put a little force on that so that it,
Force on what?
well, it needs to go back here a
All right,
little
I
bit.
got you, I got you. Hold on.
Okay, that'll work.
Oh,
right
that's it.
there for
Yep.
now.
And then I'm assuming there's a tensioner.
Yep, right here. So I back this off.
Okay. That's pretty damn tight. Nobody likes loose things. You're a fart smeller, Grandpa. I mean, a smart fella.
Some new hardware.
Where do you get this hardware right here? It's called a pillar block?
Yeah. In business anymore, are they?
Two different places.
I was thinking that'd be good to make a go-kart axle, you know?
Tried to tell you that.
I didn't know what they were called.
Hey,
What?
what the old size you need?